this bar, pull it up, this will pull out, and then you'll lay this out and down. The ramps will pull out, so there's this little stick. It's on both sides. You'll just pull this out. Pull the ramp.
Got you.
Do it on both sides, so obviously get that one out too. You'll lay this flat right here. Drive the car up and over until it's in the spots on both sides. And then once you've done that, these will go over the tire.
Got you.
And then put it in here. And you just
tighten it up. Okay. I see.
And then you'll just keep cranking basically until it's tight and it's not moving and the tire's really secure.
Okay, how to untie it?
Yep, you just pull this, lift it up, and then
okay, got you.
No. Like I said, it might be a little difficult, but you just pull this, have it all the way up, and then kind of yank it out.
All right, I'm gonna have to try with my car now.
Let me get this. There you go. But yep, that's all there is to it.
Fantastic.
I'm trying to get this